Today I'm going to show you how clicking 2 buttons added an additional $440 in paid out commissions, all thanks to the Creator Connections automation tool by ViralView. A few weeks ago, I made a video talking about how the Amazon Influencer Program was saved by Creator Connections, and I stand by it. And Creator Connections is some of the easiest money to be made, and right here is proof. We started using this just a few weeks ago, and boom, our commissions, and this is just Creator Connections, has skyrocketed. This is free money that you influencers are leaving on the table by not leveraging this tool. So with that being said, let's dive into it. For those that don't know me, my name is Trevin Peterson. I've been doing the Influencer Program for the last 3 years, and my goal is to help you make more money while working less. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's jump into my screen and break down this entire process step by step. So the first thing that you're going to do is download the ViralView Chrome extension. I'll put the link in the description. You guys can get 10% off for life. And from there, once you have it downloaded, you're going to click on the extension, and there are a bunch of shortcuts which makes your life a lot easier. You're going to click on the Creator Connections shortcut, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, before we dive into the actual strategy, I want to help you guys understand why Creator Connections is such a massive opportunity. In a nutshell, Creator Connections allows you to get increased commissions. So instead of making 2 to 4%, you can make anywhere from 10, 20, even 50% for every sale that you generate. And it's absolutely mind-blowing, the opportunity that's right in front of you. Right here, you can see that there are 133 campaigns. Since I've been monitoring this is going up by the thousands every single day. And it's because more and more sellers are jumping on board with it because they're seeing such good results. And so what happens is you have to accept these campaigns and submit videos in order to get the increased commissions. And the problem is okay, how do I sift through 133,000 campaigns? How do I know which products do I have that are a part of these campaigns, and how can I take advantage of it? Well, before, it was literally impossible, and you had to do it manually. You had to go in and basically have Amazon recommend you certain campaigns, but those days are over because ViralView, you click one button and you can accept all campaigns that you have made videos for, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, if we come over here to the accepted tab, you're going to see that I have 263 campaigns, which is a ton. Before using ViralView, I had anywhere from like 20 to 30 campaigns that I was manually finding or Amazon was recommending me. And now that I have this tool, I'm finding an additional 200 plus campaigns with no extra effort. And that is where you're going to see this skyrocket in commissions. So let's come over here and show you exactly how this works. So we're going to come over here to new opportunities. You're going to hit accept related campaigns. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull all of the ASINs from your storefront, and it's going to search the campaign database and see which opportunities are available. Now, as you can see, the automation tool is finding a ton of additional campaigns, which is just mind-blowing. It's found 70 additional campaigns. And what's crazy is I did this yesterday, and that just shows how many new campaigns are being submitted every single day that you are not taking advantage of. And so right here, literally you click the button and it's been 10 minutes to scan. And this process, if you were to do this manually, it would literally take you days and it would be basically impossible. So we just found 70. Let's see if it finds any more campaigns that now I can make increased commissions. So again, instead of making 2 to 4%, these campaigns I'm going to make anywhere from 10, 20, 30%, which is just crazy. So right there, it's been completed. We got 70 campaigns. And one thing to note is when you're doing this, you just want to leave the browser alone and let it do its thing. Yes, depending on how many ASINs you have, it might take 10 minutes, it might take 15 minutes, or it might take a couple minutes. But don't go in and browse other things, because if you do, then you will get rate limited by Amazon. And so right there, you can see that it took 10 minutes to scan 1,200 ASINs. So from there, once it is scanned and accepted, we've got 70 campaigns now that I need to go and submit videos for. Again, in the past, you had to manually copy, paste. You don't need to do that anymore. So what you're going to do is go to the accepted tab. So I'm going to close this out, come to accepted, and I'm going to see, look at this, 325 more campaigns, which is incredible. And there's a lot of campaigns that are now not submitted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the second button and I'm going to hit submit all content. And just like this, ViralView is going to go in and submit all of those videos for those new campaigns that it just accepted, which is just crazy. So I just went from 260 campaigns to 325. And again, I did this yesterday. I scanned my storefront yesterday and I just got 60 new campaigns. It is the easiest money to be made with the influencer program. And if you're not taking advantage of it, you're literally missing out. And like I just showed with that case study, an extra $400 in 20 days. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like in a month or 2 months. To add an extra 500 plus in income from Creator Connections, and we're just scratching the surface, this is game changer. So right here, you can see that it just submitted all of those. Again, what used to take hours and hours, and what I was doing in the past, I wasn't even getting good results because I was only finding 20 plus campaigns. Now I have 325. I clicked 2 buttons, found them, accepted them, and submitted all videos for. Mind blowing. So cool. Now, we're not going to stop there because there are some additional cool features that I want to show you guys with Viral View. Is if you want to take it to that next level, you can use what's called Product View. So what this is going to allow you to do is scan all of the campaigns that are on Creator Connections and find products in those campaigns that have the most opportunity. Or in other words, products that are selling well and that have a low total influencer video, so high revenue, and then low competition. So right here, you can see this product is doing 11,000. There's no influencer videos, and the campaign commission is 15%. So if you were to get this product, you could literally cash in and make easy extra income because the competition is so low and they're actually selling. You can sort this from highest revenue to lowest. Like the list goes on what you can do with Creator Connections. Again, it saved the influence program, and if you utilize it properly, you can cash in big. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Make sure to take advantage of that 10% discount for life in the description. Sign up for Viral View, leverage it, find new products. Look, I mean, these products, there's so much opportunity and money to be made in Creator Connections, and you're not taking advantage of it. And once you find the products, then you can go in and accept related campaigns, and you can find a ton. 325 campaigns, that's just insane. And in the past, for me to go and manually submit all of those, I wouldn't have a life. But now you have a life because of the Viral View automation tool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what questions you guys have in the comments. I'm happy to make more videos, but this is game changer, and we'll see you in the next one.